Well, for Digital Garage, we managed to talk to the president of Digital Garage and learn more about startup funding. It was very insightful and allowed me to gain lots of knowledge, as the discussions that we had during the session was very helpful and allowed me to learn about the phases of startup funding, the phases of how a venture capital can actually help a startup, and we also had a discussion on protecting data privacy while creating engaging advertisements. It was a major issue, and thus we managed to take a lot away from the discussion. I learned that it is important to be committed, as there is no point in doing a project without passion for it. Digital Garage also taught me that digitalizing the world is what many people will focus on in the near future. Lastly, I learned more about the incubation of startups, which will be how a company invests in a startup and how these startups actually develop after the initial investment. Lastly, for Digital Garage, I felt that I should make a change in my life. This is because I think what the president of Digital Garage said was right. It is important to be committed, as there is no point in doing a project without passion for it. I also felt that networking is very important to be able to make important connections, collaborate with important businesses, and also establish your business as a reputable one by having good suppliers and having good relations with other businesses. Well, after having visited the automated Amazon Go store, it made me think about the future of jobs that could be automated. Cashiers have already been replaced by robots. What's next? Workers such as taxi drivers, industry workers, and hotel clerks? Sadly, their jobs will soon be automated, and they will be laid off in the near future as well, forcing multiple people out of their jobs. How will they be able to earn a living for their family? Hopefully, they will somehow be able to find jobs in this new normal, where job security is now compromised by machines. It was interesting as the store was automated. You might wonder, how is the Amazon Go store automated? Well, there are gates at the front of the store, and when you enter, you need to scan a QR code on the Amazon app, or you can use a credit card for your form of payment before passing the gates. These stores work by using technologies such as computer vision, sensor fusion, and deep learning. Next, you can easily take items off the shelves. There are many cameras at the top of the Amazon Go store, so you'll be able to track what you take, and they will know that you have taken the item. When you exit the store, they will automatically charge you by your form of payment, whether it's a credit card or via the Amazon app. For NOC, the students have many experiences with startups and education, so it was very insightful to learn new concepts. The people in NOC are interesting because they have taught me different methods and tools. These insights on their career prospects and downfalls are helpful to me, as I will know how to avoid mistakes and recover from mistakes if I meet them. I learned that through interacting with business friends through hackathons. In addition, communicating your ideas is essential, as startups will most of the time have more than one person, since tech people will be in high demand. You must communicate your ideas and believe in who you are and what you offer. These will help you learn how to juggle marketing and computing in your company to make the best product possible.